Hey, Jim here from the Car Show, guys. And I just want to show you this little video. This is my grandson, Ian. He's trying to take my job away from me, trying to be the Car Show guy's next generation. I'm really ready for him to take it over. So take a look at this little car show he did. There's a lot of cars here that he previewed for you. Make some comments, give him some likes, and just sit back and enjoy.
Hey, this is Ian in the Car Show, guys. Welcome to my car show.
Okay. What you got to show us, Mr. Car Show guy?
We got, I'm going to start with this first.
Okay.
The Jeep car, fire car, I can read the names. Different car, Carson Nichols and Water, black race car, cherry car, spike car, ambulance, Jeep, truck, and stripe. And local car. Red striped car, race car. Race truck with a camper on the back. Grandpa's. It looks like Grandpa's truck, but different color. Red car. Race Zoom car. Green monster truck and monster truck. This one. Mohawk monster truck. Black engine car. Black police officer car. Helicopter car. Bus. Truck. This is cool car and as a top, it's like that. I don't know. Fire truck. Army fire truck, chicken monster truck, dinosaur, wing monster truck, freewheel monster truck, gun police car, baseball car, apple pickup. This carries apples inside of the back, and this is a different type of bank car. To be a type of bank car. Jeep, fire truck, bank car. Old fashioned car, police car, boat car. I'm calling it a boat car, but I don't know it's called.
Okay. So are you
Goodbye to our car show.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for